Non-cubers, the people who can't solve the Rubik's Cube, right? Wrong, because they have invented their own methods to solve this puzzle. I collected the 5 most popular methods and I'm going to try them to find the best one. The first and well-known method is to use a trick to solve it. This method is for newbies, because the time it takes to solve it is infinite. The next method on our list is called I just use math. Let's use a bit of algebra to see if I can solve it. Peeling the stickers off is the next strategy on our list. The next method is more advanced, breaking the cube into pieces and assembling it. I'm really surprised this method took really less time than the previous one. Actually, I did my job in 1 minute, which for a non-cuber is great. Now, a very common strategy that non-cubers use to solve the Rubik's Cube is called I just use the app. Alright, so let's find the best method out of these 5. Obviously the worst one has to be using a trick, because let's face it is not possible to solve a Rubik's Cube by just using a trick. Actually, I should add one more row, and I'm going to name it scam, because this method is a scam. Peeling the stickers off is actually not that bad, it is just not worth it. Using math is the best method that I know, and because of that it deserves an S tier. Okay, I'm kidding. Breaking the cube into pieces and assemble it again is actually my second favorite method. And finally, using an app to solve the Rubik's Cube, this has to be the best method out of all, so this one gets an easy S tier.